Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use free download manager full guide. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for free download manager and open the official website, which is freedownloadmanager.org. Then download the version based on your device. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. After that, install and open the application. It will look like this. Now, over here, you also need to install the free download manager extension. Just search for free download manager extension on Google. After that, click on the first link and install the extension. Then, depending on your browser, install it for either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Over here, I'm using Microsoft Edge. After installing, the extension will appear in your browser like this. Now, once you have both the application and extension installed, you're ready to download files. Over here, let's say we want to download WhatsApp. Just select download and the download will start like this. Then click on download again and the file will be downloaded at high internet speed. So that's basically how you can use free download manager full guide. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.